Hello friends, I have come up with a topic that is fitting a polynomial. Here is an example. Fit a polynomial of the second degree to the data points given in the following table. So the values of x and y are given. Okay, so let y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, this is let y equals to a plus bx plus c square be the least square approximation of the second degree. Again I am repeating, this is let y equals to a plus bx plus cx square be the least square approximation of the second degree. Okay, so the normal equations are normal equations normal equations are na plus b summation of x plus c summation of x square is equals to summation of y. Okay, so this is our first equation. Then a summation of x plus b summation of x square plus c summation of x cube is equals to xy, and then summation of a summation of x square plus b summation of x cube plus some c summation of x raised to 4 equals to summation of x square y. Okay, so these are the normal equations which we will be using. This is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so how to obtain these values of x square, then y, x cube, y cube, sorry, x cube, y raised to 4 xy and x square y. Okay, so let us form a table which will be showing all the values. First is the value of x, then y, x square, x cube, then x raised to 4, then xy, and the last one, that is x raised to x square raised to x square y. Okay, so we will be calculating all these values. Okay, okay, the values of x and y are given. The values of x 0, 1 and 2. The value of y, that is 1, 6 and 17. Okay, so the summation of x is given as summation of x is equals to 3, summation of y equals to 24. Okay, now we need to calculate x square. What is x square? 0, 1, 4, x cube 0, 1, 16, sorry, it's 8, and here 0, 1, 16. Okay, so summation of x square is equals to 5, summation of x cube equals to 9, summation of x raised to 4 equals to 17. Okay, now we need to find out the xy. Okay, the value of xy. xy, that is 0, 6, and here that is 34. So summation of xy is equals to 40. Okay, so now we need to find out x square y. So x square y is 1 into 0, 0, 6, and 17 into 4 is 68. So summation of x square y is equals to 74. Okay, so we have all the values. Okay, now let us calculate all these values. So here in this case the value of n is equals to 3. Why? Because the count 1, 1, 2 and 3. So n will be 3. So using the value from the table, the normal equations become, so the normal equation becomes now 3a plus 3b plus 5c equals to 24. Okay, now the second equation becomes 3a plus 5b plus 9c is equals to 40. Okay, now third equation becomes 5a plus 9b plus 17c is equals to 74. Okay, now these are the three equations which we got. Okay, we need to solve these equations, all these three equations, using Gauss elimination method, and find out the values of a, b and c. So I am not going to solve this using Gauss elimination method. So the finally after calculating this solving this using Gauss elimination method, so you get the values of a, that is 1, b equals to 2 and c equals to 3. Okay, so you got the values of a, b and c. Our equation was y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. Okay, so final our equation will now become 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So our y will be, this is our final answer, y equals to 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. That's it. Hope you understood this video. Try to solve more examples based on this. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.